Those who watched previous video, we took this buy and I published the video while recording, and in this video we will try to hold this trade big and our target will be 500 pips approximate. So let's see, we will try to hold this trade and let's see how much we can get from this trade. I'm welcoming you to my Telegram channel to get this kind of sniper entries, and yes, that's it. We got 580 pips already in this trade and I was outside. This is why I couldn't record. We got almost 600 pips in this trade. So yeah guys, this is it. We flown in the market. So join the Telegram channel and peace out.